Welcome back, guys. My name's Johnny, and if this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, feel free and subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so you don't miss anything. Alright, this week is our week 30 Robinhood update. I am up $30 for the week, and I wanted to show you some of the trades and different things that I'm doing. But first, let's start off with what I'm holding. I am holding a few shares, and as you can see here, I'm not going to name them off, but I am down on some and I'm up on some. So I'm just going to let you gander here. My biggest holding right now is JNUG, 20 shares. And I got a few just stuff that I kind of wanted to get into. Seen some dips and wanted to buy. And then here's a few that I just put on my watch list, and if you want you can see last price, and again I will go up, and this is basically what I'm holding right now. So nothing really crazy major happening. I wanted to show you guys my history starting on the 12th. So I added some shares of JNUG, and then I sold to lock in, I believe, $10 profit. Bought Sino at 117. Bought TNTR, SPX. I bought HD for 180.56. Market buy, it just says here, which is interesting. I wonder why. It says market buy completed. Entered price, market. It doesn't give me a share. That's a weird glitch. JDST. Bought another market. What's going on right there? Bought MSFT. Bought DWDP. City. Sold something here. It's not letting me see what it is that I sold. Very interesting. There we go. Nvidia. Sold Nvidia. Sold JDST, sold Alibaba, sold Microsoft, bought silicone, bought aluminum, bought MU, AMAT, and as you can see, I've had a lot of buys. And basically what I was doing is I was buying low and selling high, and I did that multiple times over the week and was able to get $30 in profits that I locked in. I do have a dividend pending still for March 30th for $3.22. And really, that's kind of it, guys. I now have a portfolio value of $930. I only have 753 of it right now in stocks, 177 in cash, and also have $26.97 with it, which is withdrawable right now if I wanted to withdraw it. 146 unsettled funds, 354 rewards, and as of right now I could withdraw the $26.97 if I wanted to. I'm sure tomorrow that would probably go up to what I am holding, 177. I'd be able to pull that out tomorrow if I wanted to. 0-day trades, so we'll be able to start fresh on Monday, and I'll be able to show you guys a couple of day trade strategies because I will have 3 available. So I might try to do one Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Try to keep a lookout for that. But once again, guys, if you like what I'm doing and you feel as though this can be helpful to someone you know, go ahead and share this video and smash the like button for me. Alright, and you guys have a great day.